For 2025, as the world has been preparing to welcome the new year, a Maulana in India has issued a mind-boggling fatwa. And this is coming for the Muslim youth and has been asking, when it comes to the youth of the faith who follow Islam, not to celebrate the New Year's. Now, a fatwa in Islam is in a religious ruling or an opinion given by an Islamic scholar. And Maulana Mufti Shahabuddin Razvi Barelvi, who is the president of the All India Muslim Jamaat, where he stated that the celebration of New Year's is against Islam and Shariat laws. And he has defended the fatwa, saying that New Year's celebration marks the calendar of Christians. So hence, it should not be celebrated when it comes to the people who follow the Muslim faith. Let's first listen into what he had said.
चश्मे दारुल-इफ्ता बरेली शरीफ ने नए साल के जश्न मनाने पर फतवा जारी किया है। फतवे में कहा गया है कि अंग्रेजी महीने का जो नया साल शुरू हो रहा है जनवरी से, उसमें बहुत सारे लहव व लईब होते हैं और मुसलमान लड़के और लड़कियां नया जश्न मनाते हैं नए साल का, एक दूसरे को मुबारकबाद देते हैं। तो ये तमाम चीजें ये ईसाइयों का मजहबी शियार है और किसी भी गैर मजहब का मजहबी शियार अपनाना या उसमें शिरकत करना किसी एतबार से वो जायज नहीं है।
Well, let's tell you exactly what is considered illegal as per this fatwa that has now been issued against New Year's celebrations. Now, that includes wishing others either in person or through sending messages on the phone that are now prohibited according to this fatwa. Restrictions that have also been imposed on bursting crackers, whistling, clapping, dancing, gambling, and the consumption of alcohol. Now, the fatwa also restricts switching off and switching on of lights during celebrations. And on the other hand, the fatwa seems to have rattled many, including when it comes to the Indian Sufi Foundation. The national president of the Sufi Foundation has condemned the Maulana, saying that he does not even read the Shariat laws and the New Year celebration that fosters actually when it comes to national unity and celebrations all across.
शायद मौलाना साहब ने अभी शरीयत पढ़ी थी। शरीयत में क्या क्या हराम है, क्या क्या हलाल है, इसकी जानकारी मौलाना को है ही नहीं। दरअसल नए साल का जो पर्व है वो तमाम देशवासी, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, पारसी, बौद्ध, जैन मिलकर मनाते हैं। मैं तो आज भारतीय सूफी फाउंडेशन की सदर होने के नाते ये पैगाम देता हूं कि तमाम देशवासी नए साल पर ये पैगाम दें, पैगाम मोहब्बत, जिससे कौमी यकजहती हो, कौमी एकता हो और देश के अंदर एक अच्छा माहौल बने।
Well, when it comes to reactions from political leaders that have also started to come in, with the Congress seems to be backing the New Year celebration, saying that this is a occasion that brings different communities together and strengthens harmony, and this is a moment to celebrate not just in the country but across the world.
तो निकाल कर तो अपनी ठुकाई कर रहे वो लोग, ऐसे फतवे निकालते जाते, इसको वोट नहीं देना, उसको वोट नहीं देना, ये बंद करे। हिंदुस्तान सबका है, सबका समान अधिकार है, चाहे हिंदू हो मुसलमान हो। हम तो कोई मौलाना हो या हिंदू का ये हो, सबको हम लोग भाईचारे की बात करते हैं। आपस में मिल जाए, हिंदू मुसलमान एक होकर सेलिब्रेशन करे, नया साल धूमधाम से मनाए, नए साल का स्वागत करे हिंदू और मुसलमान दोनों मिलकर। तो युवा नहीं जाएंगे, ये नहीं जाएंगे, तो क्यों भानगढ़ में पड़ते हो? हमारा सीधा कहना है।
Adib, when it comes to such fatwas that have been issued, are these issued on an annual basis? Because New Year comes every year. So is this an issue that is now with this particular New Year, or when it comes to celebrations altogether? Because with the reactions that have been coming in from the political leaders, they want, when it comes to all of these fatwas, to be kept aside and as one, as a nation, and unity and harmony and celebrations that have been taking place will happen not just in the country, but across the globe.
As the country and in fact everyone around the world, they are preparing for New Year festivities. Maulana in Uttar Pradesh, he is issuing fatwa and is making bizarre comments that people, especially from the Muslim community, both men and women, they should refrain from celebrating New Year festivities. In fact, he also went on to say that a large number of Muslim men and women, they participate in New Year festivities and they should refrain from taking part in these festivities. And he has now issued a fatwa. Political reactions, apart from political reactions, there are reactions also from Sufi Foundation, who are condemning the fatwa issued by the Maulana Shahabuddin Rizvi of Bareilly, who's the president of All India Jamaat, and they are criticizing the statement given by Maulana, saying that India is for everyone. And in fact, they also went on to say that we invite mostly the Muslim women and children, men and women, that they should take part in the festivities of the New Year, and keeping aside the fatwa that has been issued by Maulana Shahabuddin Rizvi.